Hey guys, I'm going to review this ICEPURE replacement filter, model RWF1000A. I bought this as a replacement for the water filter that we used up in our Kenmore Elite refrigerator. So this is compatible with our model. And I bought this specific one because the last brand that I used to replace original filter had an off-putting taste to it. And so I wanted to try a new brand. This particular model of ICEPURE is available in a 2-pack or a 3-pack. We got the 3-pack, so we've been rocking this filter for about 3 months now. And I gotta say, after 3 months of use, the water tastes clean. There's no taste to it, which is exactly what you would expect from a filter like this that removes chlorine, etc. So I'm very happy with it. I think it's a good value. What comes with it is you get these stickers in each one that can basically effectively mark the date you need to replace it. These things are good for 300 gallons and up to 6 months, I believe. And very easy to put in. You basically just insert it and twist it to the right to lock it into your refrigerator. But overall, just a good product, and it's something that we will now be repurchasing when we get through these three. So